This could be interesting. Or not. Today I'm having a go at using the navigation, Royal Enfield navigation. Never tried it before, so I don't know. I've managed to get it up on the clock anyway, but I've put a destination in, so we'll have a look and see if it takes us there. To be honest, it wanted to take me a different direction altogether to start off with, so I ignored that. It's like here, it's wanting me to turn right, and I don't want to go that way. I really don't want to go that way. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, not 100% how to use it yet. I've got the phone turned on. I've got Bluetooth turned on. I don't know whether I need it. I don't know. The phone's in my pocket, so I don't know if it's still there. If the screen's still on, I'm not sure. One thing I am missing is there's no audio, is there? I'm not getting any audio, which you normally get through your SatNav telling you turn left, turn right and all that. Sometimes I need a bit of that. I don't know, I suppose you could have an earphone from your phone. It's a bit of a faff, isn't it? You know, it's a bit messing about. Anyway, we'll see how we get on with this. Let's see if it gets me to where I'm going. Now I need to turn off right here. I know I do. Oh, the SatNav is sending me that way. It's saying turn right, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to be going through Cannock Chase. I may stop off at the German cemetery if I come across it. I think this road takes you past it. We'll see. Is it saying? I don't know if it's 5.4 miles to the destination, or that's how far we've travelled. I feel we've travelled further than that actually. So yeah, we've got a speedometer. Where's the rev counter? Is that hiding anywhere on the screen? Can't see it. No, it's a good map. It's saying I've got a right turn 0.9 mile ahead. Don't know if the camera's picking up my clock, because I know it tends to flicker a lot, the frame rate and everything. But yeah, it's lovely and clear for me. Lovely through Cannock Chase. Just got to watch out for those deers. I have had one run across the road in the past, so it does happen. Usually early morning though, late at night, not so much in the daytime. The deers tend to go deep into the forest. It says we've got to turn it in 0.2 of a mile. And we do have a giveaway sign ahead, so yep, we've got a right turn here. blinking roads. So many ruts and potholes there. I've just turned off that road because War Cemetery, yeah, that side. Blinking lock on this bike, look, can't get round. Yeah, this is the German War Cemetery. Sight traffic, you can't ride down there anymore. You used to be able to, go all the way in. They obviously stopped it now. Well, I'm not parking here and walking all the way down there, so yeah, let's mess that up then, hasn't it? Oh well. Yeah, last time I came I was able to go all the way down, really. Oh well, we made the effort. SatNav says turn right. Well, that's what we'll do. So, we're back en route. SatNav's doing its job. Look. Straight ahead for 0.7 of a mile. Look at these trees here, look. Yeah, massive things. Lovely. Take a right, it says, at this roundabout. Oh, blinking holes in the road there. Gravel, all sorts, look. Slip sliding everywhere. Half a mile to the destination. Hopefully. If I've programmed it right into the map. It's taking us somewhere anyway. .2 mile, take a left. And we will have reached our destination. Take a left. You have reached your destination. And we are... I'll show you where we are in just a second. I'm going to park on this bit of ground here. The cabin cafe. Eat in or take away. Navigation. Yeah, look. It's turned itself off really now. Now I'm here. Well, that worked, didn't it? Got us here. Let's have a look what my phone's doing. Navigation ended. Route summary. Average speed 32. Time taken 37 minutes. Total distance 19.5 miles. Yeah. Battery's gone down there. See, I didn't know whether I needed Bluetooth on. Got a feeling I did. Anyway, let's go and test this out. Sausage bap. Here I come. Well, I can honestly say I was pleasantly surprised with that. It was very, very nice. The cabin cafe. Not quite sure of the area we're in. It is just outside Cannock Chase. If we go back out the gate here, if we take a left we'll head to Brockton, and we take a right we go to Rugeley, so I'll give you an idea. Just change his sat-nav back to normal. Yeah. Save that one for another day. A few places down there. Buxton's mainly, look. It's a bit like a maze round here. I always end up getting lost, and not so much lost, but going a completely different way than what I was intending. But there's lots of little pull-offs you can pull off and go out and take a walk then. Well, as we were doing a bit of a test of the SatNav, and yeah, well, it seems to work. I'm not 100% on how you leave your phone. To be honest, that did take a bit of battery for those 20 miles. Then again, my battery's not that good on that old phone, so but you know, I don't know, do you have to have the Bluetooth turned on? I imagine so. Well, that was our test of the SatNav, and a trip to Cannock Chase, which was very nice. German cemetery, which well, we didn't actually get it in. And a new cafe. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.